YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. I cannot do it without you guys. So please hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. It helps. Let's talk about some Bitcoin before we get into that too. Gotta let you know, not a financial advisor, not financial advice, just the homie Crypto J, right? Let's talk about the total market cap. We'll talk about Bitcoin, then we'll dive into some Toshi, as well as some news too that has been coming out. Because again, you guys know that today we have some major announcements. This is one of the biggest days of so far of the year. As a matter of fact, today is probably the biggest day of the year for cryptocurrency so far, this year at least. So I'm very curious to see actually what's going to be playing out. Oh wow, today is, well, no, two more days, my mom's birthday. But let's look at total market cap. As you guys can see, 2.7 trillion market cap, coming in down now almost 9%. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 24, and Bitcoin coming in at 83K. It was just at 82 a second ago. Market looking very, very funky today, right? Now coming in at a $1.65 trillion. Bitcoin looking like it's losing steam, right? Definitely not looking good, especially from yesterday. Just looking like we're starting to break down and wanting to retest some of these lower levels. We were hoping to hold that 84. Even then, I was saying how critical this range was right here, this support. Now look at us, right? We can really see a drop down to it, like this 65 range or 75 range, and then possibly even to the 70 range too. 68 was what I was saying would be like all-time bottom bearish number that I was feeling would be this 68 resistance zone right here, and then hopefully see some kind of a pull up, right? But again, things are very speculative right now. Let's actually go see what's kind of going on Twitter, because a lot of stuff, a lot of crazy stuff. As you guys could see, the Fear Greed Index coming in at a 15 today. And it's funny because just yesterday I was saying that the Fear Greed Index on Coin Market Cap was reading at like a 24. But what did I say? Go watch me. I swear to you, I said this got to be somewhere around like a 14. I literally used the number 14. I said this has to be somewhere around 14. And we're at 15. So that's pretty interesting. So here's a summary of basically what has happened in just the past like 24 hours, guys. This is a summary of all the live tariffs. As you guys can see, 25 tariffs on goods from Mexico to the United States, 25 tariffs on goods except energy from Canada to United States, 25% tariff on the CAD, 30 billion of goods to the United States to Canada, 25% tariffs on CAD, 125 billion of goods from Canada to the US in 21 days. 25% export tax on electricity from Ontario to US, 20% tariffs on many goods from China to the US. Now, this one is actually only for goods that are over $800. I found that out because I am also doing a drop shipping store and had a lot of questions about this because I have distributors and manufacturers in China. So I was actually questioning that. And then 10% tariff on energy from Canada and US, 10 to 15% tariff on goods from the US to Canada. And again, a lot more, maybe even some stuff going to be announced today, which again, what's that going to do to the market? Nobody really knows, right? Also, a lot of stuff going on too. Bullish things going on too, like the US Treasury commits to lowering the interest rate, right? That could be possibly something that can help Bitcoin, right? Also, Trump's tax rumor, right? He's saying that possibly he's going to erase the capital gains tax for crypto, right? He possibly, maybe he would announce that on Friday, or maybe he would announce that today. I would hope that he would announce that today after the market just took a giant dump. We could definitely use some good news. I'm really hoping that he gets on the mic and can restore confidence into the market and into the American people, because right now, not even just the American people, this is really the world market right now. People are seeing these tariffs and it's happening in a lot of countries. And so people are feeling the fear everywhere, but it is definitely hurting us. Our stock market is hurting a lot of stuff right now. So again, I hope this trade war is going to work out in America's favor. I hope that this man is going to bat for us the best he can and making smart decisions and calculated risks with our livelihood, because a lot of people's livelihood, right, is in these markets. A lot of people are very invested in crypto and very invested in the stock market. Real estate also taking a hit. Real estate sales down like 10%. Some of you guys know also that I'm a real estate agent too, and I'm also being affected by the real estate market as well. So a lot of things just really tough right now. Hopefully that interest rate going down will be good. Hopefully that, all the stuff that's going on as far as, this stuff revolving around crypto goes well. And that's really what I'm hoping for. I'm definitely really nervous for today, guys. I don't know. Maybe we'll go live during this meeting tonight at 9 o'clock. There's also a lot of speculation too. We could see they had some suspicious transactions, right? Some people making some big money off some shorts, off of some of these shorts opportunities, right? But who would be shorting the market right now when we just talked about a Bitcoin reserve? Unless you knew about all this stuff that was going to happen that would tank the market, right? Because everybody else would be longing the market, right? When the Bitcoin reserves and everything, when I shared this post on my Twitter about how many people got wrecked in those long situations, because every indicator was pointing that we were seeing some kind of a recovery. And I pointed this out, that 925 million people, or $925 million got wrecked in longs and 136 million in shorts. Guys, who would have shorted the market when they heard about a Bitcoin reserve in the United States? I don't know. But the very next day, we got this bearish news that erased all of our gains. So I do think that that's a little bit suspicious. Was that insider trading? I don't know. You tell me. I have no idea, guys. Again, a lot of money wiped out of the crypto markets in just the past 24 hours. I want to know if we're going to start seeing some kind of recovery anytime soon. Bitcoin now coming in at 83. But again, we have a long way to go. Long way to go. So I want to know what you guys think. Can we fill in this gap at 84? We do have that gap at 84 that we talked about. We did break below it. Can we fill it again? And can we continue to pump? I want to know. Let me know in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.